You are not in the shot, but your chips were.
Hello friends, and welcome to another cleaning video. Now this is from a couple weeks ago. We had a guest come over to sleep and spend the whole weekend, and we had a couple friends over for game day on Saturday, so this is just me kind of tidying up just a little bit after work. Now because we are having this guest over all weekend, I did go ahead and clean our sheets and pillowcases because we usually do that on Saturday or Sunday, and I didn't necessarily want to do laundry while I had this friend over.
Get off! Get off! Get off! Get off! Bear, can I have this blanket back, please?
But making the bed is a great way to start off some cleaning time because you get this big, flat, clean surface that you can see, yes, I made this kind of progress, so it motivates you to do more. And in case you're doing laundry, you have this big, flat surface that you can utilize to sort and fold on. And of course, I always have my little pugs here to supervise, making sure I do a good job of keeping their comfy bed all fluffy. I would also just like to point out that significant other got us some new pillows, which is great in the sense that the old pillows were really junky and needed to go, but not so great in the sense that he decided to get really extra fluffy ones and I can barely fit them in the pillowcases. After much embarrassing time, I did determine that it was easier to kind of roll the pillowcases up and then slide it over the pillow that way, but feel free to make fun of my struggle down in the comments. And now you get to see my great personal embarrassment. I am always wearing a slip as an undergarment so that my skin does not touch my actual clothing. So I don't really consider clothes dirty unless I've sweat in them or done something to get them actually grimy. And I have a really bad habit of leaving my only half dirty clothes in the bathroom in a pile next to my closet, but not actually hung up in my closet. I am kind of organizing them into piles of where they're gonna go in my closet while I'm hanging them. The blouses, pullover sweaters, and skirts and dresses are separate because they go in separate parts of my closet. Stuff like pajamas, t-shirts, and shorts, those are just folded and put on shelves. And I am going to yoink up these towels from the floor real quick, throw them in the wash, and sweep up. After that, I'm going to take this pink towel from the bathtub and put it down to replace the ones I just threw in the wash. To me, wiping off the counter is good with just any kind of soap. So I'm giving that a quick scrub and scrubbing off the parts of the cabinets that generally accumulate dust. And of course, just giving the toilet ring a good scrub, getting all up under the jets and flushing everything back down. And here you get to see a little bit of my Tech Fest swag. All that blue on the table, that is 21 metal reusable straws. It's kind of funny because I went up to the booth trying to get some more metal straws because I just wanted some more metal straws. So I say, okay, so do you have any metal straws left? And they're like, oh yeah. So I say, okay, well, how many of them realistically do you want to get rid of so that you don't have to lug it all the way back to the car. What the woman does, she just takes out a chunk, plops it on the table and says, have as many as you like. My employees are giving them away as stocking stuffers. So just a warning to all my friends and family, you know what you're getting for Christmas. This room is still at a strange merge between guest room and kid room. We do have some of kids' stuff in there, and I did specifically get this tapestry that's currently on the bed with Kiddo in mind, but I still feel like it's a strange transitional state, and I'm trying to get Kiddo stuff packed up enough that it's not uncomfortable for other people to be in that room. And I'm just trying to clean and dust a little bit to make sure nothing's too grimy. And then, of course, vacuuming up all of the pug hair that has filtered in. And as you can see, Penny has some feelings towards the vacuum. And there goes Bear to slip under the bed. Stay tuned for the rescue mission. In the meantime, feel free to leave any questions, comments, or concerns down below. Thank you so much for watching. New videos come out Mondays, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Vacuum is friend, not foe. Vacuum is not foe, is foe. Bear, come here now.